video, I'm going to show you how to use the Cricut Joy to make a handmade Easter card. If you haven't heard yet, the Cricut Joy is the newest cutting machine to the Cricut family, and even though it's small, it's an awesome and mighty machine. It has a lot of unique features, and I'm excited to highlight one of those features for you today while we make a greeting card. Sometimes making cards can take a while. What's nice about the Cricut Joy is that you can use these insert card kits to quickly make cards. So these kits come with pre-made envelopes, cards, and insert cards, and then if you use this along with this card mat, you can make handmade cards in just a matter of minutes. That is one of my favorite features of the Cricut Joy, so I'm excited to show you guys how to do that today. It's super simple and I think you're really gonna like it, and you can shop for all of these supplies on our website. If you want to make this project, you'll need a Cricut Joy. You'll need insert cards. These come in a variety of colors and patterns. You'll need this card mat, which is sold separately from the machine. And then I like to use a scraper and a spatula tool to help me in my crafting with this as well. So I'm here in Design Space. I'm using a Mac and I have Bluetooth on my computer so I can connect to my Joy that way. You'll need to make sure that your computer has Bluetooth, otherwise you'll have to use a phone or tablet with Bluetooth. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I have the Joy machine selected in the top right hand corner. So when you get your Joy, it will come with a ton of pre-made projects, and there's also tons more in Cricut Access. So let's take a look at those. On the left hand side here, I'm going to click on projects, and you can see here there are just tons and tons of different projects. Some are going to be included with your Cricut Joy and some are a part of the Cricut Access plan. So we are going to make an Easter card today, and I actually want to just look at the free projects that come with the Cricut Joy. So I'm going to click on all categories and scroll down to free for Cricut Joy, and then from here I'm going to choose this Happy Easter card. So we'll click on it, and then we're going to click Make It. And as you can see, everything is pre-made, perfectly sized for us. The only thing we're going to double check over here is that it's on the card mat, so that's good to go. And then from here, all we'll do is click Continue, and then it's going to connect to the Joy over Bluetooth, and then we will choose our material, which is the insert card, and now we are good to go. All right, so I'm going to get this kit opened up, and from here, you're going to need to pick one card, one envelope, and one insert card. I'm going to do a navy blue card with this mustard insert. All right, so from here, we're going to add our card onto the card mat. We're going to remove this clear transparent sheet, but you want to make sure you hold on to this, so don't get rid of it. And then here's the awesome feature about the Cricut Joy card mat. So it has like a little slit here, and what we'll do is slide the card into it. So this top portion is sticky, but the rest of it is not. So what this allows us to do is have the folded card, but only the top portion gets cut. All right, so now I've got the card, and what we're going to do is tuck it. We'll tuck the back under first. So we'll just lift this up just a little bit, and then we'll slide the card under. We'll keep it flush at the top. So line it up on this side, and we'll line it up at the top as well. And then you'll fold it over onto the sticky side and push down with your hands. So I have my Joy connected to my computer via Bluetooth. Another cool feature about the Cricut Joy is that since there are no buttons on the machine, there isn't a button to feed your mat into the machine. It actually has sensors on here, so it'll automatically pick up the mat as we push it in, and it will pull it in and straighten it out automatically. So now I'm back here in Design Space on my computer, just doing one last check that I have the right material set. And then when I'm ready, I'm gonna hit go in the bottom right-hand corner. So the Joy is all finished cutting, and we clicked unload in Design Space, so now we can take the project out of the Joy. As you can see here, this made some seriously intricate cuts. So to remove the top from the sticky part on the mat, we're going to carefully remove it using a spatula tool. So I just tend to start in one corner. The key is to just go nice and slow so that nothing gets ripped in the process. All right, so we're all finished, and that is what it looks like from here. From here, we can just slide the card out. This is what the card mat looks like. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but we'll clean it in just a second. And here is what the card looks like so far. So now what we're going to do is take our insert card, remember the mustard colored one I picked out, and as you can see on this card, there are 4 cuts that were made in each of the corners. And this is just where we're going to slide the card in from the back side. So we'll just tuck the mustard paper into the navy blue. Now that we're finished with the card, the last thing I like to do is to clean the cutting mat. We have a whole YouTube video talking about how you can clean your mats using baby wipes, so I'll link that up here. Definitely go check that out. But for this, I'm going to use the scraper tool, and this will help me to get rid of all of these pieces on the mat. So all I'm going to do is push. So that is how you make a card using the Cricut Joy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial today and got to see how simple and efficient it is to make handmade cards using the Cricut Joy. Again, I use these insert card kits and the Joy card mat. So these 2 items are sold separately from the Joy machine, so you may want to think about getting that if you're snagging a machine. So just as a reminder, everything is available on our website. Definitely go check that out if you're interested in getting the Joy. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and we'd love to help you out. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more Cricut videos and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.